Did you know sneezing is one of the best things that can happen to your body when something enters your nose? Like dust or germs, your body sends rapid signals to your brain. Your throat, eyes, and mouth instantly close, building pressure to blast the invader out. In fact, a single sneeze can expel over 100,000 germs from your body in just seconds. The Prophet Muhammad taught us to praise and thank Allah after sneezing. It's not just manners. It's a reminder that even this simple act is a blessing from Allah. So next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body's natural defense and a chance to thank Allah for His mercy.